Today I'm going to answer the question, should you clean your solar panels on your RV? Yes or no? I will do a non-scientific, super quick test on my two 375 watt panels, and stick around, I'll show you the results. But the answer is yes, you get increased efficiency by cleaning your panels. Alright, we're going to do an experiment here. I'm at 462 watts with pretty much full sun and dirty panels, so I'm going to go wash them off and see what we get. Okay, so we washed one of the panels, made it kind of clean, and we went up to 470 versus 469. I don't think it made much difference. Alright, well, if you can see that, we went up to 485 watts with two nice clean panels. I don't think the shading had much to do with it, and I don't think the sun really changed much from what we were doing, but we're producing 485 now.